For these young girls to have opportunities, it's amazing. These opportunities are not what I had when I was younger.
Ar y pitch rwan, dyn ni efo ein cynllun newydd, sef National Girls Academy, sy'n gweithio i trio cael mwy o genod yn kind of datblygu drwy i'r adran Premier. A hefyd, dyn ni'n cyflawni partneriaeth efo FIFA, sef FIFA Talent Program, Regional Program newydd i merched sydd yn edrych am kind of datblygu a mynd sydd i mewn i national teams ni yn y dyfodol.
Mae yna llawer o talent yn yr Academy'n barod a gyda llawer mwy o amser gyda nhw'n hyfforddi nhw a nhw ar y cae a yn dysgu pethau gwahanol off y cae hefyd yn rhywbeth bwysig a dwi'n meddwl mae hynna'n rhywbeth mawr a gobeithio nhw'n ni gweld llawer o rhain yn y tîm cyntaf.
I wish when I was younger that there were those academies to play for, and obviously we didn't have that. We did have different times, and now to be part of that and to watch them get the development they have and just see them play, it's fantastic. You had the biggest victory for yourself. You reached the Euros for the very first time just this summer, and you could see what happens to the country. Like the girls now have role models to look up to. Like I can actually play in the Euros at one day. So the visibility is important, and that's where the Wales Federation has to come in and support their players, give them really great coaches to help them develop, and give the support system, because hard work by the girls has already been done.
Dyn ni eisiau bod yna bob tournament, World Cup neu Euros. Mae Rhian Wilkinson yn gweithio gyda rhai ifanc hefyd, oedd hi yn y camp under 19s mis diwethaf yn trio ysbrydoli nhw i gweithio'n galed achos maen nhw'n agos at y tîm gyntaf. Felly, mae hwnna rhywbeth mawr.
Mae Rachel wedi bod efo ni rwan am mlynedd a mae hi wedi bod yn gweithio efo ni i wneud yn siŵr bod y genod yn Cymru yn cael cyfleoedd cywir, addas iddyn nhw datblygu i'r dyfodol.
For some of the girls that are currently in our girls regional program, it's super exciting because some of them might appear in, the 2035 World Cup, which is currently bid to be held in this country as well, as like a co-host. So I think it's really, really exciting, for the girls to see, the ones who've just appeared currently in the Euros, and then to see that actually they might be a part of something in the future. So, the future's bright, and I'm really excited to see, what happens.
I remember when it was against Italy in January and we had our names on the back of the shirt and we were so excited because it was a change within women's football that we had a name on the back of the shirt. And then we qualified for a major tournament, and you see moments like this with great talent on the pitch, and they're working so hard as a national team to create more talent and more opportunity for players, because one of these could be going to the World Cup.